Hey, good morning, Scorpions. Mr. J here to talk to you about Students of the Month. We had 10 nominees for Student of the Month, so I'm going to run through those nominees and I will tell you who our randomly selected winner is. First name we had was Peyton Condon. Second, Avijit Jutla. Jacob McCabe. Monica Soto, Liana Castellan, Nicole Goldman, Ben Link, Rachel Hermosillo, Serena Aguilar, and Izzy Alvarado. So congratulations to you 10 students for being nominees for Student of the Month. How I pick a winner is I randomly select out of there I number you, and then I basically randomly select a number from 1 to 10, and this month's Student of the Month winner is Ben Link. So congratulations, Ben. Come on down and see Miss Rowland here in the office, and she will take care of you here as far as Student of the Month goes, okay? All right, second thing I have is Sting Card winners. So here we go, Sting Card winners for November and December. 7th graders, Hannah Truffley, Brianna Trujillo, Maverick Courtney, Clint Sturmer, Selah Malera Botello, Kai Smith, and Debbie Hokinson. Congratulations, 7th graders. 8th graders, Gabe Lyon, Quindell Bustamante, Dominic Begay, Isaac Clark, Kylie Calvo, Teddy Winkler, Bryce Connolly, and Pedro Ortega. So all of you Sting Card winners, come down sometime and see Miss Rowland here for your Sting Card prize. And I just want to congratulate all of you students for representing Shea Middle School the way you do and doing such a great job in the classroom. To be nominated for these awards, that's a big deal. So keep up the good work. And if you were not a winner this month, there's always next month. So do your best, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.